What is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? It is your boy Terry Stonkers, and welcome to my channel, baby. Buy the dip. All right, guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, help your boy get here to 26,000 subscribers. We're just a few hundred away, so let's go. All right, today we're going to talk about three stocks. So the first one we're going to talk about is MULN. That's right, Mullen Automotive. So let's get to it. All right. First, Mullen Automotive today had a fantastic day. During the regular trading hours, we were up over 10%. After hours, we're up over 4%. Ended the day at 335. And you can see the volume just blew through the freaking roof today. Average volume is 80 million. And the volume traded was over 550 million. That's like freaking 6x, 7x, whatever you want to call it. Lot of freaking volume on this bad boy. So let's go take a look at the premium Fintel and see what we got floating around over here. All right. Look at this short squeeze score for Mullen. 92.86. Ranked 58 out of 5,400 stocks. Gamma squeeze score, like I said, we're not worried about that yet because this is a brand new kind of hype stock. Short shares that are available, it says 3 million shares. And if we get down here and take a look at the short borrow fee is a 12.93. So pretty high fee to short this stock or borrow the stock, which is nice to see. Now, they're not really shorting it too bad, a 38.77. But look at how much was traded in the FINRA, which is the dark pools. Almost 313 million shares were traded out of the 550 million shares traded, guys. So huge volumes being traded in the dark pools. So that could be, the price of this could even be really higher than what it really is because a lot of this volume is getting traded in the dark pools, and we don't know what's being actually real, synthetic, and all that, so hard to tell. Also, we do got the update here for the aggregate short volume ratio, which gives us the FINRA, the CBOE, and the PSX, showing a 40.08%. So pretty right in the middle of where it usually is. And that, also, I did check on Mullen Automotive, their Twitter account, and David Mickery, the CEO's Twitter account, and they haven't really posted anything. So we'll have to wait and see if we get any updates from them posting things. The stock's running good. Let's hope it keeps going like that. Super excited for Mullen. It's changing people's lives, man. It is just rocking and rolling and ready to go. So now we're going to go take a look at the second stock on this list. That's going to be ticker symbol HYMC, Hycroft Mining. This one is really exciting. Tomorrow could be a make or break day for it here in the short term because tomorrow is going to be the earnings. So we're going to go over that as well. But first, let's go ahead and take a look at it. It had a bad day. It was down over 10% today. Kind of sad to see, but down end of the day at $1.21. I did add more shares today. I was averaging down on this one. I think this is going to have a run when people least expect it. So I want to make sure I got my shares locked and loaded, ready to roll, because when it takes off, you're probably going to have a hard time catching it, and it's just going to be on the moon train. I want to already have my shares for when it takes off. So you can see our average volume here is about 24 million shares, and today we traded about 40 million. So it looks like we traded, almost a little over 90% over, which is good, but I believe a lot of it might have been selling pressure or short pressure. So what I wanted to show you then, if you're not following me on Twitter, go follow me at TerryZ247. I get all kind of great information on my Twitter account. But first, I wanted to show you here about if you're wanting to tune in to tomorrow on Twitter for the Hycroft Mining earnings call. Here it is. Go follow at Terrible808. And unfortunately, I won't be able to make the call because I'll be at work. But I'll kind of know from the share price if it's good or bad. We're hoping that there's no dilution coming in. We hope we stay where we're at. And yeah, I want to see this thing move up. I hope they have a big announcement to announce here at the earnings call. That'd be fantastic. Just some kind of excitement to bring it back. Get the price moving again. So yeah, we talked about that there. All right, so now we need to go over here and take a look at the short interest on HYMC. Our short squeeze score did drop a lot. We were up a lot higher than this. We're at a 67.69, ranked 2,200 out of 5,400 stocks. If we get out here and look at the short shares that are available, 1.2 million shares are available. Now the fee, guys, is really high still, but it was at a higher price and it came down a lot today. But we're not complaining. I mean, still, the fee to borrow or short this stock is 107%. That is just crazy and unheard of. I love it. So they're still going to short it, and this thing can take back off. This price could go back up to where it was just the other day. And if we look here, it was at 265% at a max, and the latest was at a 237%. So this thing could be really expensive if you, it's a dangerous fire if you're shorting this one. Because like I said, if AMC gets behind it, the apes get behind it, and retail really gets behind this stock, a lot can happen shortly, man. So this is one I'm excited to be in. Go down here and look at the FINRA. The short volume ratio is a 41.79. About 24 million shares were traded in the FINRA today. And we go down here and look at the aggregate short volume ratio is a 42.44 out of those 3 exchanges. So that is all I got for you on HYMC. Like I said, the big earnings call is tomorrow. Going to be excited to see what happens. Like I said, we'll know in the share price, whether it's good or bad. So now we're going to go take a look at stock number 3. All right, so we're going to finish it up here with Bbig. That's right, Venco Ventures. So this stock had an amazing day, up about 25% today, ending the day at $3.12. And let's go take a look at the volume. So the average volume from this is 37 million. We hit a trading volume today, 84.8 million shares traded, and the stock was up 25%. That is fantastic. So let's go take a look here at the FinTel, and let's go take a look at the short information, which is pretty interesting to say the least. So we got here to take a look at the short squeeze score is a 90.57, ranked 113 out of 5,400 stocks. So this one is getting close, guys. Gamma squeeze score, not really worried about that. The short shares that are available at this leading prime brokerage is 150,000. And we're going to take a look at the short borrow fee at a 9.55. So pretty expensive for them to borrow it. And you can see they are heavily shorting this one. FINRA short volume ratio, 57.30. They're trying to keep this down. Aggregate short volume ratio, 59.72. So let's go take a look here. Next thing I wanted to do was the institutional ownership. And look at that. Ownership accumulation score is a 93.59, ranked 574 out of almost 25,000 stocks. So that one is exciting, guys. So that is what I got for you in today's video. Going over these 3 stocks that have a lot of hype, a lot of excitement, a lot of short squeeze possibilities, and most of them are already on the way. Waiting on HYMC to take off as well, which I believe is just a matter of time. Like I said, tomorrow could be a make or break for that stock, because if the earnings go bad, it could crash. If it goes good, it can moon up. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. So hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below. It helps out the algorithm. So I'll catch you on the next video, guys. Peace.